What's up, everybody, and welcome back to another episode of the Yukon. Today, it's time to swap out the headlights for the Denali style headlights. These are a projector beam on the low side and a regular beam, reflection beam, on the left side. But first, we're going to have to clean these things up. And what we're going to clean them up with, we're going to use the Cerakote ceramic headlight restoration kit. Saw this on Project Farm's YouTube video, and it came out on top. And you know, I really trust what that guy says. If you haven't checked his channel out, I recommend you do it. Really knowledgeable, goes through a lot of different stuff and seeing which one's the best. And you know, it's all honest stuff. Nothing of his is bought by anybody. So we're going to go through and we're going to clean them up with this, and then we're going to install them with my favorite lights ever, and that's the Lasfit lighting LEDs. And these are by far my most favorite LED lights around. You can get these on Lasfit's website. I think you can get them on Amazon now. But just look at that quality. These aren't cheap eBay or any kind of cheap other headlight. This is the real deal. I've had these in several of my vehicles. I have them in my Mazda 6 right now, and they are the absolute best lights that I've ever came across. And they're really good for the price too. They have really good customer service. I've never actually had to use a warranty, but I imagine that it is really good as well. And for this one, I got these are both 9005s, but one is actually brighter than the other, and that's the one I'm going to put in the highs and the lows. So the Lasfit LA Air is going to be your brighter. I think it's like a 10,000 lumen, and the LC Air is going to be your 7,000 lumen. And then I went ahead and bought the fog lights as well, and you can just see the quality how that is on there. It's all aluminum, all metal construction. It's got a nice fan in it, nice wiring. Wiring is very professional. Get a look at that. And from what their website says, their LEDs can be used in halogen headlights, halogen units, because of the angle of their LED chip. That's what I read on their website. Here is the other 9005s. They are a little bit different. It's a really awesome headlight. Very well made. It's all metal construction. There's no plastic there. Alright. Well, with that being said, let's go ahead and get these headlights cleaned up. And we'll go ahead and put the lights in there and see how they like. I will be adding a comparison of what I have now to what the Lasfit lights are going to be. So I'll put that probably at the end of the video, so if you want to stick around and watch that, or you can just skip right to it. So let's go ahead and get started. Okay, so I just want to give y'all an idea of what we're working with. I'm going to show you the headlights as they are now, and the highs and the low beams, just to show you what we got. Not too good, not too bright at all. Okay, since we had these out of the truck already, that's going to make it super easy to clean. We're going to get all this off and make it look brand new. Got our Cerakote headlight cleaner kit, and it looks like everything is in steps. Step 1, oxidation remover. Step 1. Step 3, open this pack up, and we want to wipe the headlight off. And that's what it says. So we're going to do that now. Alright, now that we got the headlights all cleaned up, I didn't bother boring y'all with that second video. Now that we got the headlights all cleaned up with the Cerakote headlight cleaner, we're going to go ahead and put the LEDs in. So this is the driver's side headlight, and they are both 9005 bulbs. And we're going to go ahead and change the bright out first. So your outers are going to be the dims, your inners are going to be the highs. We're going to get the l.e.d air is the 10,000 lumen, and they come with these super cool little gaskets in case the red gaskets that come with it doesn't fit. And we got us some gloves so we don't mess up the filament or the diode. So we're going to go ahead and throw these little bad boys on here. Okay, well, I can't even get my hands in there. We're not, that's too small. That's too small, guys. You have big hands, it's too small. So we're going to take our headlight out, we're just going to take and twist it counterclockwise and pull straight out. Alright, now we're going to take our bulb, we're going to put it in here, and we're going to turn it clockwise and lock it in. And you want to make sure that the blade of the light is straight up and down, is vertical. That way your beam pattern gets spread evenly. So we're going to take and put it in here, just like we took the old bulb out, stick it in and give it a good twist, and it's in, just like that. Now this one has a little harness. We're going to leave the little harness on, and we're just going to unplug that, do the same thing, pull it out. Now for the lows, we're going to take our l.e.d lights and put them in here because they are a little bit dimmer. Put them in there just like that, twist, and hopefully the polarity is right on these. And we're just going to shove it in like that. Okay everyone, so here is the stock headlights at night, and it's pretty dark right here even though we had the interstate right next to us. But this is with our dims on, and now we're going to switch to the brights. And remember, these lights are kind of foggy and hazy. They're not clean at all. We're going to go back to the dims, And now back to the brights. And also, I do have the 4 high mod chip in there, and I'll put the card right here in this section so you can watch that video if you want. It's a pretty cool video. Shows you how to put shows you how to make all 4 of your headlights come on, your highs, your lows. That way you have really nice bright lights. Now we're back to our dims, and we're just going to turn around right here. Now we're going to swap back to our highs. And now we're going to see what the Lasfit LEDs look like in the same section. Alright, so now we have our our driver's side headlight here. So this is one of the most simplest headlights I've ever had the pleasure of taking out. And it's super simple. You find these 2 pins, one here, one right here. Give them a little twist like that and pull straight up. Pull straight up. And then the headlight should come out. Super simple. And then you have your plugs. Unplug them. Or really you could just take the headlight out and then unplug them that way if that makes it easier for you. Just twist them and pull out. And now we're gonna take these bulbs out. And these are absolute direct fit, no modification needed. For our lows, plug our plug in for our highs, and then we're going to put it right back in, just like the old one. Take our pins, boom, one more, give it a little wiggle, boom, perfect. Now let's do the other side. Let's get a little look. Crazy bright. All right, let's do the other side. Now for the fogs. Okay, y'all, and here is the Lasfit LEDs. This is the lows, and now I'm going to switch it to the highs. Absolutely absurd amount of difference. It's actually insane at the difference this makes. So I'm going to go back to lows. See, we got that nice cutoff line right there, thanks to the projectors, so we don't blind everybody. Then we'll go back to the highs. It's like spotlights. crazy. Now I'm gonna go back to the dims. Guys, these lights are super bright, and I have no complaints from them whatsoever. Got that nice line right there, that nice cutoff line. Turn around here. And now I'm going to go back to the highs. It's crazy. And these are direct plug-in. I think the polarity is either way on these. I'm not sure, or either I got super lucky and plugged them in right the first time. Alright, so that's the Lasfit bulbs. Yeah, there you go. Alright everyone, well there you have it. It's the upgrade headlights. Crazy. So much better looking. Throws out a nice beam too. Definitely. Alright, well, if y'all enjoyed this video, if y'all made it this far watching and didn't get tired of me blabbing on and on, give this video a thumbs up, give me a comment, tell me what you think, give me a follow, let me know you liking my progress. Alright y'all, I appreciate you watching, and like always, keep on wrenching.